Good morning and welcome to Cottage by the Sea. This is kind of an impromptu video I decided to show you guys. Jeff, my husband, and my name's Yvonne, by the way, if you're new to my channel, he went out and he hunted and got a doe and a buck deer this year. And so we have lots and lots of venison. And so I thought I would show you guys some of what I do with the venison. He ground up some and we use it as hamburger / sausage. So this morning I'm making myself a crustless quiche, and I had ground up some venison. Show you there. And this bowl was actually full, and it's just my husband and I. So out of that bowl, we have had breakfast burritos made with this venison sausage, and we have also had some dinner burritos made with this sausage with black beans and things. And then this morning, before he went to work, I made him an crustless quiche with this sausage, and I'm getting ready to make myself some this morning. So it's going to have my venison in it, and pico, which I also made up earlier, and then eggs, and then some Swiss cheese. So with that, and by the way, I use a little contraption. I'm not even sure what it's called. It's that you put your eggs. You can either hard boil eggs, soft boil eggs, or make an omelet or quiche with. And it's like this, and I got it off of Amazon. Oh, there it is. It's called the Elite Cuisine. Let's see if you guys can see that. And I will put the link to that below because I did get it on Amazon. So here we go. So to begin, I have one egg with some milk, and I didn't have any shredded Swiss cheese, so I just kind of shredded this myself and put it in my bowl to begin. I'm sure if you guys, the camera can catch that. And so I'm whipping that up, and then I'm going to plug in my egg machine here. Oops, I got some of my ground venison there, and plug that in. And you have to put a little bit of water in there, and I've already done that. Filled it up to there, put the water in here, and now the egg goes in and it will start to cook it. So I'm going to put the egg in, and then I'm going to put some of my ground venison in. I'm going to use the rest of this up. And let me get a spoon. Oh, I've got my spoon of a little bit of my pico. I try to keep pico in the refrigerator so that, you know, if I don't have time to chop vegetables up and I need vegetables in my salad, or I'm doing tacos or burritos or anything like that, I've got it and it's ready to go. So there's a little button, I just push that and it's ready to go. So it's just that easy. And then this little egg maker will just make the quiche for me. And or if I wanted to have an omelet, I could have put in, with an omelet, instead of putting in Swiss cheese, I usually put in Mexican shredded cheese mix in there to make an omelet with some green peppers and things. But my pico has onions, green peppers, cilantro, tomatoes in it. I squeeze a lime over it, and then I put in a little bit of jalapeno pepper to my taste and a little salt. So it's very easy to make. And I will put the recipe down below of this. And then this, let me show you how this turns out when my husband has ground the meat and everything. So we have a vacuum sealer, and he grinds up the meat and season it the way we like, you know, with some sausage seasoning. Sometimes we put a little spice because we like a little bit of heat in ours, so we put some spice in there, and then he vacuum seals it. And then if I'm gonna make anything with hamburger or sausage, I just pull one out, fry it up, and I try to fry up, I think there was 2 other packages in this, so I fried up 2 packages, which filled this up, and then we had several meals off of it, and that way I don't have to do it each time. My meat is already cooked, I'm ready to go. And if we're, you know, I'm out doing something, I also work, so if I'm coming home from work and don't have time to fry the sausage, I can put this in. I can add then some taco seasoning and get my pico out, shred up some lettuce real quick, and make some tacos for us. So it's just a quick, easy way to have breakfast and dinners on the go. So the light has gone off, which means it's done. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see. Voila, it is steaming hot. Okay, I'm going to get this all plated up and show you guys how my breakfast this morning is turning out. So my breakfast is all fixed. I'm ready to eat. It smells really yummy. Got my hot cup of coffee with my no sugar syrup, and then I also have no sugar jam on here. And my favorite jam that's no sugar is from Dutchman restaurant, and I will put that link down in the description below in case somebody's like me and you have to watch your sugar. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. I know this was an impromptu video. I just decided that I would share this with you guys. I know probably some of your husbands are hunters too, and I'm really very proud of Jeff and his hunting and bringing home the buck and the doe, because I'll tell you something. This year we started eating, well, last year we started eating venison, and both of our cholesterol levels went down by 30 points, and that's a really big deal. So if you can get your hands on some venison, replace some of your beef with venison and some of your pork with venison, it really does help you stay healthy. So anyways, have a blessed day. Make it a joyous day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.